Hey y'all, my name is Jack. I'm your wingman for this here at Texan Wing Bar. Now, we've been going over this for a couple of weeks now. I've been telling y'all about our man-sized portions. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm officially here to welcome y'all to Texan Wing Bar and let y'all know we are open. I've been out here in South Africa for a while right now, hanging out with the folks from Texan Wing Bar. Man, we've been eating, we've been drinking, we've been laughing. Hell, I even miss home no more. Hold on a second, y'all ain't even been outside yet. Trust me, this place has it all. It is just beautiful out here.